Witness the grandeur of the LED TV factory, a beacon of modern industrial innovation. Explore the intricate process, how smart TVs are crafted from the very beginning. Technicians meticulously inspect raw LCD glass, ensuring flawless quality from the start.
Robotic precision. Automated machinery places tiny LED backlights with silent efficiency.
Human touch. A technician delicately connects a ribbon cable, blending skill with technology.
Automated precision. A massive AOI machine rigorously scans circuit boards for perfection.
Robotic arms transport delicate mainboards, showcasing careful automation and precision.
Mainboards move through a pristine corridor, ensuring controlled transport between stages.
Multiple workers efficiently attach mainboards to LCD panels, a coordinated assembly.
Robotic arms seamlessly screw TV back panels, ensuring robust and precise construction.
A skilled technician delicately integrates the LCD panel, a critical and precise step.
Machines swiftly apply protective film to TV screens, ensuring pristine displays. Newly completed TVs journey towards rigorous burn-in testing, anticipating examination.
Pixel-level quality. A single glowing pixel reveals a vibrant grid during burn-in testing.
In the clean room, a technician meticulously inspects raw LCD panels for micro defects. Automated machines precisely cut diffuser film, preparing vital internal display components.
A technician carefully assembles LCD layers, revealing the display's complex internal structure. Robotic arms precisely place tiny sensors, integrating advanced smart features into displays. Environmental testing chambers rigorously evaluate TVs for extreme durability and scientific precision.
A condensation droplet forms on a TV screen, showcasing its resilience in extreme humidity. Robotic arms precisely test remote controls, ensuring seamless user interface functionality.
A finished TV transitions from inspection to packaging, ready for its final journey. Automated packaging machines wrap TVs in protective foam, securing them for transport.
Robotic arms precisely apply shipping labels, finalizing logistical steps with accuracy. A vast warehouse of box TVs awaits distribution, showcasing immense scale and logistics.
Cargo trucks are loaded with TVs, the final step before distribution begins.
A fleet of branded trucks departs, symbolizing widespread distribution and global reach.
Silicon wafers, the raw material for microchips, gleam under sterile, controlled lighting.
Automated machines slice silicon wafers, a rapid, microscopic precision in manufacturing. A technician inspects silicon dies under a microscope, ensuring early-stage quality control. Packaged microchips move through a heat treatment oven. Board traces, a fundamental material.
A laser etches intricate patterns onto copper, creating precise circuit board traces.
Circuit boards undergo washing and drying, ensuring efficient purification and readiness. A massive SMT line with robotic arms rapidly places tiny components, the heart of electronics. A tiny resistor is precisely placed by a robotic arm, demonstrating microscopic accuracy. Circuit boards move through a reflow oven, with molten solder connecting components.
Finished circuit boards move on conveyors, ready for TV chassis integration.
A worker meticulously attaches a heatsink, crucial for processor cooling and performance.
Automated machines precisely cut polarizer film, a critical component for display quality. Automated wire routing meticulously organizes internal cables, ensuring intricate assembly.
A worker carefully connects a power supply, a vital step for TV power and safety.
Partially assembled TVs undergo initial power-on tests, verifying basic functionality.
A technician inserts a delicate ribbon cable, creating fine connections for specialized modules.
Robotic arms apply protective coating to TV components, enhancing durability for longevity. Undergo rigorous visual inspection, ensuring aesthetic perfection before packaging. A technician identifies a tiny scratch, underscoring meticulous defect detection and quality.
A technician performs a final software update, ensuring technical finalization and readiness.
A newly packaged TV moves on a conveyor, beginning its journey to the warehouse.
A QA manager oversees final inspection, ensuring uncompromising quality and high standards.
A worker scans a QR code, capturing efficient data for inventory management and tracking.
A robotic arm gently stacks box TVs, preparing for efficient bulk shipping.
A logistics coordinator reviews shipping manifests, planning intricate worldwide distribution.
A forklift moves box TVs through the vast warehouse, organized for efficient storage.
Machines seal TV boxes with tape, ensuring secure closure and streamlined efficiency.
A robotic arm gently lifts user manuals, ensuring pristine documentation for complete delivery.
A QC technician performs a shake test, verifying robust packaging and durability. Packaged TVs under drop test simulations, ensuring extreme durability and safety.
A TV box undergoes vibration testing, showcasing resilience against shipping stresses.
A worker applies a fragile sticker, highlighting final labeling for safe transit.
Automated shrink wrapping secures TV pallets, ensuring robust protection for shipment.
A worker applies a tamper-evident seal, providing final security for bulk shipments.
LED TVs beautifully displayed in a showroom, marking their journey to the consumer.
Smart TV. Show me the highest rated documentaries about space exploration.
And he sinks the 3 at the buzzer. What a shot.
Yeah! Let's go! Get in there!
Unbelievable. What a game.
A TV's internal cooling fan whirs, revealing sophisticated thermal management engineering.
The key innovation here is the interlocking molded fiber structure, eliminating the need for any plastic inserts whatsoever.
An automated guided vehicle moves a packaged TV, showcasing futuristic warehouse logistics.
A worker removes protective film, revealing a pristine TV display with premium presentation.
As you can see from the Q3 projections, the growth trajectory aligns perfectly with our initial forecast.
A TV's metallic stand connects seamlessly, emphasizing elegant stability and refined aesthetics.
Wow, the picture quality is amazing. I can't wait to watch a movie tonight.